Hi everyone, my name is Bree Martinez and today we will be going over the competitor research for the Pero Mi Pero website. For this research, we will be looking at some websites that I think are good examples of what we should be looking for when we are creating the new Pero Mi Pero site, as well as getting an idea of what other competitors are putting out there on the web. So the three websites I looked at were Central Bark, Austin Pet Ranch, and Austin Dogtown. The thing that really drew me into the Central Bark site was the fun layout. I thought the way they had the different icons for the different pages of the site was really interesting, as well as a great way to interact with their audience and make navigation super easy. It was definitely different from the standard toolbar that all the other sites had. The only thing I found to be an issue with this site really was the fact that the page didn't take up the whole screen and only part of it. I wasn't sure if it was a design flaw or if it was meant to be that way, but I think when it comes to our page, it should fill up the whole space. The second website I looked at was the Austin Pet Ranch. Like most sites, it has your typical toolbar for navigation and a very outdoorsy type of vibe with its use of neutral color scheme. I like the site because it's not too flashy and had a very homey feeling to it. With the simple navigation bar on top, it was easy to navigate and find all the info that customers would be searching for. The only thing that doesn't work with this site is that it's a pretty generic site. I mentioned before the use of neutral color scheme background and how there really isn't anything that stands out to make people want to learn more at first glance. This could be an issue when trying to gather new customers and bringing our ratings up. The third and final website I looked at was the Austin Dogtown site. This site had a really good balance, I thought, of simplicity as well as interaction. It also had a basic navigation bar on top as well as the link to their Facebook page on the bottom. Unlike the Austin Pet Ranch, Austin Dogtown had more visuals as well as more information about their company. Now the last thing I want to talk about is keywords. Some of the keywords that I found while researching that would be great to incorporate were pets, dogs, boarding house, grooming, daycare, pet care, and home feeling. These words would be great to incorporate in the opening sentence, something that would give people the right idea of what